Welcome back to LocalM Tuts. I'm Parikh. This is lesson 13 of 16, A2A with a Cloud Agent SDK. Last time we built the task agent with OpenAI Agent SDK. Tool use A2A wrapping. If you're watching this as a standalone video, find the complete course playlist in link below description. Also, you can find example links via the GitHub repository and the interactive page links in the description below. Clone the repo, open the lesson folder, and just follow. Loan validation agent built from scratch, no framework abstraction, JSON-schema tool validation, explicit tool call dispatch, and a manual agentic loop using the async Azure OpenAI with K2 thinking. Multi-turn is a big unlock. Most A2A interactions so far have been single shot. Send query, get response. With the conversation memory, the agent remembers what he said before, enabling the follow-up questions and interactive workflows. Let's see this in action. Install the dependencies, configure the credentials, then start the server on port 10,006. Watch the manual tool call loop iterate. You will see each tool call result in the console. Try to sending a follow-up question to test the multi-turn memory. Pause the video and try it yourself. Well, lesson 13, practical implementation using a Claude-Style agent patterns. So by the way, I got a one typo there, Cloud Agent SDK. It is wrong. I don't know how I missed that. It's basically a Claude-Style agent pattern implementation. So what I did in this example is what I learned from Cloud, what I read from Cloud, Covert Cloud code, their blogs, papers, how they are writing their own agents. And I really like the approach they are doing it. So what I did is I actually copied their approach into this example. Of course, it is not as detailed as they do, but it will give you some idea, and I want to explore it, that how compliant it is with the A2A. So I did this JSON schema tool definition the way the Cloud does. The more importantly, what I did is the system instruction, because there are a couple of system prompt been leaked, and I was aware of what those leak prompt look like. So I haven't copied it, but I do basically use the style. And then manual tool call loop with conversation memory. This is the one of the most powerful feature that why Cloud code make Cloud code. Conversation memory. This is very important. And unlike other framework which they explicitly manages, I'm actually manages everything manually here. And this is what this particular example make a difference. You can definitely take this example and try to run it. I have just implemented one or two features, means there are hundreds of features like that what they got. So I think let's not compare that. I have created their own work, but something very similar. And same A2A to connect and server to host A2A. So let's see. Let's run the server first. Python server, and we are running it. And then we just run Python client. Let's see, server up and running. Yep, it's running. And then let's run the Python client. Oh, I think they got it there. Yeah. Sorry, I think it's 13, isn't it? Yeah. Claude-Style. That's it. Just generated that file, and we got the whole solution sorted. So excellent. I'll probably see you in the next part of the video. All 6 frameworks are complete. You have agent running, A2A SDK, Microsoft Agent Framework, ADK, LangGraph, Creo AI, OpenAI, and Cloud Patterns. All discoverable, interoperable. And next up, the most important, the capstone example, which is a very real life example of a loan approval pipeline using 6 different agents, orchestrating and having the human in loop. Thanks for watching this lesson on LocalM Tuts. Next is the lesson of the production grade loan approval system with 5 specialized agents and a human in loop 6 with a React dashboard with full observability. You can find the next video in the A2A protocol course playlist. Links in description. I see you there.